Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Scratch the silver strip to reveal the 16-character code before using it. Keep the code private and write it down accurately. Use Safari on your iPad and sign into your Roblox account first. Do not try to redeem inside the Roblox app. Use the website for reliability. Confirm the card value shown, for example 0 or 5, so you know what to expect. Close other tabs to avoid accidental logouts or redirects while you continue. Open Safari and go to Roblox. com/redeem while signed into your account. Tap the redeem field and type the 16-character code exactly as shown. Double-check characters that look similar, like 0 and O. Tap redeem and wait for the success message to appear on screen. The site will confirm whether you received Robux or a membership benefit immediately. If you see an error, check the code and retry or contact Roblox support. Open the Roblox app and sign in to use your Robux or membership benefits. Tap the avatar shop or any in-game purchase to spend your balance. Confirm the item price and that Robux is selected as the payment source. If you encounter an App Store prompt, cancel and choose Robux within the Roblox purchase flow. For purchases blocked by Apple, redeem Apple gift cards into your Apple ID to complete the transaction. Enjoy your new items after the purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.